Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone, your go-to source for all things tech and fitness wearables. Today, we're diving into some exciting developments in Garmin smartwatches. The company has been rolling out updates across its product lineup, with recent refreshes to the Fenix, Enduro, Instinct, and Approach series. But one fan-favorite series has been noticeably absent from the upgrade cycle: the Garmin Forerunner. Now, thanks to a newly discovered FCC filing, we may have our first big clue about what's coming next. Could this be the highly anticipated Garmin Forerunner 975? Let's break it all down. The Garmin Forerunner 975. What we know. So far. Garmin last refreshed the Forerunner lineup in 2023 with the Forerunner 265 and 965, which quickly became the go-to choices for runners and fitness enthusiasts. Given Garmin's rapid update cycle across its other smartwatch series, the timing is ripe for a new Forerunner model. A recent FCC listing labeled IP049668 has surfaced, fueling speculation that Garmin is preparing to launch a new device. While the filing doesn't explicitly name the Forerunner 975, its classification and timing strongly suggest that this could be the next iteration of the series. Analyzing the FCC filing, Garmin has become more secretive with its FCC filings in recent years, often omitting product names and key details. This latest filing follows that pattern. It received certification in December 2024, with confidentiality lasting until June 17, 2025. If Garmin sticks to its usual launch schedule, we could see an official announcement well before that date, possibly as early as March or April. Interestingly, one unexpected detail has surfaced. This new device appears to lack Garmin Pay. That's a surprising omission, given that contactless payment has become a standard feature on high-end Garmin smartwatches. Features we expect in the Garmin Forerunner 975. While official specs remain under wraps, we can make some educated guesses based on Garmin's latest innovations and trends in the sports watch industry. Here's what we hope to see. Enhanced GPS and multi-band tracking, improved satellite connectivity for ultra-precise location tracking, even in dense urban areas or rugged trails. Next-gen heart rate and health monitoring. More advanced sensors for real-time heart rate, stress tracking, and potentially deeper sleep analytics. AI-powered training, recommendations, smarter coaching insights, and personalized workout suggestions based on performance trends and recovery metrics. Battery life upgrades, extended battery performance, possibly featuring solar charging for even longer-lasting endurance tracking. Sharper display and improved readability, a high-contrast, AMOLED, or MIP display optimized for both daylight visibility and low-light performance. Enhanced smartwatch features, deeper integration with third-party fitness apps, along with refined notifications and smartwatch functionalities. Could this be something else? The lack of Garmin Pay in this filing raises an interesting question. Could this device be something other than the Forerunner 975? Some analysts believe this might be a new budget-friendly sports watch, offering premium tracking but without full smartwatch capabilities. Another theory suggests that this could be a cycling-focused device, potentially an entry-level Garmin Edge 150 cycling computer. Garmin has been expanding its Edge series, and introducing a new budget-friendly model wouldn't be out of the question. Should you wait to upgrade? If you're considering upgrading your running watch, it might be worth holding off just a little longer. With this new Garmin device likely launching before mid-2025, we're only a few months away from getting official confirmation. Whether it turns out to be the Forerunner 975 or another innovative sports watch, it's clear that Garmin has something big in the pipeline. Final thoughts. The Forerunner series has long been a staple for serious runners and triathletes, and an upgrade has been overdue. The new FCC filing hints at an exciting new launch, and while some details remain uncertain, the signs strongly suggest a major release is imminent. So, what do you think? Is this the Forerunner 975? Or is Garmin preparing to surprise us with An entirely different device? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates on Garmin and other cutting-edge fitness technology. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth tech, insights, reviews, and breakdowns.